Hold on to your seats, tech lovers, because the OnePlus 13s has just dropped and it's here to shake up the smartphone world. Whether you are a gamer, photographer, business professional, traveler, or content creator, this phone is made for you. But is it really worth your money? Stay with me till the end and let's break it down like your favorite tech buddy. Let's start with the design. The OnePlus 13s is a head-turner, sleek, premium yet minimalist. It comes in classy matte finishes with a slight sheener when lights hits, perfect for boardrooms, bosses and beach bloggers alike. It's lightweight, it's solid with a curved ceramic back and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front. The build screams luxury, not flashy. Now the display, oh boy, this is the good stuff. You get a 6.82-inch 2K AMOLED Pro XDR display with 1Hz to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Watching movies, it feels like a mini IMAX. Scrolling Instagram, butter smooth. And gamers, you'll love that ultra fast touch response, and it gets super bright up to 4500 nits brightness. Use it under sunlight or in bedroom, your screen never fails you. Inside, it's a performance beast, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Whether you are editing 4K videos, running multiple apps or gaming on ultra graphics, no lag, no heat. It also has vapor chamber cooling, so even during long gaming sessions, the phone stays cooler than your ex, pretending to be okay. Alright creators, listen up. The OnePlus 13s packs a 50MP Sony LYT808 main camera, a 64MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 48MP ultra-wide, and guess what? They are all Hasselblad tuned. Photos are vibrant, detailed and cinematic. Portrait mode looks like a DSLR, low light handle like a pro. The 32MP selfie camera also support 4K video, perfect for bloggers and online meetings. No grainy miss anymore. Tired of carrying a charger everywhere? Not anymore. The 13s has a 5400 mAh battery with 100 watt SuperVOOC fast charging from 0 to 100% in just 26 minutes. Miss your morning alarm? Plug in while you are brushing your teeth. You are good to go.